Hey there, YouTube. So I don't see too many follow-up videos on cheap Chinese stuff, but I decided to make one while I was out here. This is my Arxon 1500 watt electric demolition jack. I made a video on this a few years ago, and just want to say it's been working really well. Used it on a few projects, helped move a piece of foundation out of the way with it. I broke up a bunch of stuff. I just can't remember all the different things. It's come in handy. Really good purchase. I paid like, I don't know, like $130 for it, shipped, if I recall correctly. Just a great deal. You do have to keep up on the oil. It didn't leak any while it was in storage, but you do have to top it up every now and then. So yeah, case has been working good. It's a good case. Handle hasn't broken off yet like I thought it would. At the end of this video I'm just going to put a little video of me using it to remove some fence posts. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.